Hi guys, how you doing? So one of you want to say something about the Haitian community? Yeah, go ahead. And what's your name?
My name is Jamie Finney. The Haitian community here is wonderful, and I'm excited to eat at the restaurant.
And why you come here to eat the Haitian food?
I came into town tonight to listen to what Haitians had to say at the community center. That event was canceled for safety reasons. So I was planning to come here to support local Haitian food and culture and just to be with the people.
So you heard a lot of bad thing about the Haitian community. So how you feel as an American?
I feel like everyone should come here and drink a Prestige. It's amazing. It's the best beer I've had in a long time. Ice cold beer here. Food smells delicious.
So there's a lot of thing about the Haitian community. Um,